Hello students, in today's lecture we will discuss the numericals on simple machine. We already discussed the theoretical concept regarding the same unit, that is what is machine, what is lifting machine, what are the classification of machine, simple machine, compound machine, then very important term, that is mechanical advantage, velocity ratio, that means all the terms related with the simple machine. Now in today's lecture we are going to start the numericals, but before start of the numerical you must go through the formulas, which formulae exactly we have to use while solving the numericals. So the first formula is mechanical advantage. So mechanical advantage, MA is equal to W upon P, because we are knowing about the definition, that is the MA, mechanical advantage is defined as the ratio of load to effort. So MA is W upon P. So VR is distance traveled by effort to the distance traveled by load. Then efficiency is nothing but the MA upon VR into 100. Generalized formula of efficiency is output upon input. But here output will be treated as MA and input is nothing but the VR. So efficiency is equal to MA upon VR into 100. Next one is the ideal effort. I is the suffix for that P, and which is stand for ideal. So PI is nothing but a W upon VR. Then WI is the P into VR, then PF is P minus PI, WF is WI minus W, and last one is the law of machine, that is nothing but the P is equal to MW plus C. M is nothing but the what? Slope, and C is the y-intercept. Okay. Now after that we will discuss one numeric. Yes. So I have written the numericals on board. First of all, you must understand the numerical. You must identify the numerical. So some keywords are given in the numerical. From that keywords we can identify that by which method exactly that numerical will solve. So see here, there is one word, the velocity ratio, then here is a machine, then effort, load. So all these words are from the unit simple machine. That means we can say that this numerical is of simple machine. Is it? So after identification we have to write given data. So here writing a given data is very simple. See, if there is a velocity ratio we will write VR. If there is an effort, we know that effort is denoted by P. Then the load is nothing but a W. Efficiency is nothing but the eta. So first of all we will write the given data. Yes. So see here, we have written a given data. How it is? See, you just read the numerical line by line, word by word. So here in the first line they have given us the velocity ratio. So the velocity ratio of a certain machine is 50. So VR is equal to what? 50. Then determine the effort required. That means what we have to calculate? We have to calculate effort, that is P. So to find there is a P. Then is required to lift a load of 1500 newtons. So that one is the load. So load is equal to 1500 if efficiency of machine is 40%. So efficiency is 40%. So before proceeding the numerical you must know about the one thing. That means what? That is which formula exactly we have to apply. Yes, while solving the numerical we face a lots of problem, that exactly what we should do in the numerical. So see, you must understand one thing. Whenever any value is given in the numerical whose formula is known to us and whose value is also given in the numerical, I already told that. See here the efficiency is given and the formula of efficiency is also known to us, because in this numerical, see, determine the effort. We don't have the formula for effort, special formula for effort. Then what exactly we should do? So see here, we know that the formula of efficiency and value of efficiency is also given. So first of all it's our duty to apply the formula of efficiency. So see here I have written we have, that means we have the formula of efficiency. So efficiency is MA upon VR into 100. Why we are applying this formula? Because this formula is known to us and the value of efficiency is also given in the numerical. So this is the purpose or use of that efficiency given in the numerical. So efficiency is MA upon VR into 100. So efficiency is 40. MA, it is not known to us. but what is the formula of MA? W upon P. But P is also we have to calculate. So we can't calculate PA here. So we can't calculate MA here. So MA will remain as it is. Velocity ratio is known to us into 100. Now see, we have to calculate MA. So MA will remain as it is, and another term will goes on the another side. So rest of the term goes to the another side. So do a cross multiplication. So 50 goes here. So 40 into 50 and divided by 100. So now we are getting here MA is equal to 20. Now see, again we have the formula of MA, and the value is also known to us, that is 20. So apply the formula of MA. So therefore MA is equal to W upon P. MA is 20, that is mechanical advantage. W is 1500 is given to us, and P will remain as it is, which we have to calculate. Do a cross multiplication. P will goes here, 20 comes down. So P is equal to 1500 divided by 20. So we are getting the answer P, that is effort 75 Newton. So this is the trick. See, initially when they ask us about the calculation of P, but we don't have a special formula for P. So how we proceed? So first of all, we identify the values in the numerical. So they have given us the value of efficiency, that is 40. And we are already known about the formula of efficiency. So our first duty to apply the formula of efficiency. While solving any numerical, you must apply this trick. Whenever any value is given in the numerical and whose formula is also known to us, so that formula you must apply initially, so that you will get some unknown value. So similar way we did here, efficiency is MA upon VR, efficiency is 40, MA remain as it is because we can't calculate MA, because MA is W upon P, P is unknown to us. So MA will remain as it is, VR is known into 100, we are getting from this MA. Again, the value of MA is known to us and formula is also known to us. So now MA is equal to W upon P, MA is 20, W is 1500 divided by P. So unknown parameter, that is P, is here 75 Newton. So this one is the answer. Now next numerical we will discuss. Now in this next numerical, again we have to follow the same procedure. First of all, read numerical very properly. So again see, a machine required an effort. That effort word gives us the identity about numerical. That means this numerical is of simple machine. So now we have to write given data. So a machine required an effort of 5 Newton. So P is 5 Newton. To lift a load of 60 Newton, that is W is 60 Newton. The velocity ratio of the machine is 20, that is VR is 20. What we have to calculate? Find the load loss due to friction, that means WF, and efficiency, that means eta. Now see. Again, see, here we have to calculate load lost in friction, and we have the formula of load lost in friction. So simply apply the formula. So we know WF is equal to WI minus W. So WI is what? P into VR minus W. Put the values. P is 5 into 20 minus 60. Put a proper bracket so that you will not get wrong. Okay. So 5 into 20, 100, 100 minus 60, that is WF is 40 Newton. Next is efficiency. Efficiency is MA upon VR into 100. M is W upon P divided by 20 into 100. Again W what? That is 60 divided by 5 and divided by 20 into 100. So 60 divided by 5, 12 divided by 20 into 100. So do a proper calculation, that is 12 into 100 divided by 20. It comes 60%. Okay. So this is very simple numerical, basic numerical, where we have to calculate this value by applying a simple formulas. Okay. Thank you.